Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to change highlight cover Instagram. The first thing we will do is open the Instagram app and enter our profile. Next, we go to the category of history that we want to modify, then we hold down on it. After that, click on Edit Highlight. In this window, we will see different editing options. In this case, we will click on the Edit Cover option. Here we will be able to modify the current cover, choose a previous one, or choose one from our gallery with the icon that appears. In this case, we select an image from our gallery and place it. Once you have it, click on Next. We apply changes. We will see the changed cover in the highlight. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.